Chinese freighter abandoned, drifting. Chinese cargo ship JIN YUAN LUN 6 How issued distress signal at around 1030 Beijing time April 15, requesting immediate assistance, in Guang'ao Bay, off Shantou, Guangdong, China. 11 crew abandoned the ship and went onto life raft. They've been rescued by tanker ZI TONG, IMO 9,469,261, half an hour later. JIN YUAN LUN 6 How reportedly but not yet confirmed, developed list, SAR ship was sent to abandon JIN YUAN LUN 6 How to monitor situation and attempt to salvage distressed freighter. Bulk cargo ship JIN YUAN LUN 6 How, MMSI 413,480,270, DWT 5000, flag.